South Korea's constitutional court has ruled that much of the country's climate goals were unconstitutional. With this, they have handed a landmark victory to young environmental activists who wept for joy on the court steps. Take a look at this report.
South Korea's climate campaigners rejoiced over winning a significant legal battle Thursday. A landmark decision from the Constitutional Court ruled that South Korea's climate change laws did not protect basic human rights and lacked targets to shield future generations. The South Korean government has been sued by over 200 plaintiffs since 2020, some as young as infants, who argue the government violated citizens' human rights by not doing enough on climate change. 12-year-old plaintiff Han Jae-ah felt vindicated by Thursday's verdict.
With the good results, I'll work even harder to build an even better future. I'm really inspired and proud.
The plaintiffs accused their government of falling short of the nation's existing climate change laws. In a statement, the court said South Korea's Carbon Neutrality Act, which lays out its 2050 carbon neutral plan, failed to present any quantitative levels for reduction targets between 2031 and 2049. The legislature has been asked to revise the Carbon Neutrality Act by the end of February 2026. Climate advocacy groups said it's the first high court ruling in East Asia on a government's climate action. Policy analyst for the Grantham Research Institute's Climate Change Laws of the World project, Tiffany Chen, says legal action in South Korea could spark changes elsewhere in the region.
In some ways, it has already been inspired by previous cases that happened elsewhere. But it is definitely turned a lot of attention in terms of those ongoing cases closer to Korea in the region. So in Japan, the youth lawsuit is currently ongoing as well against thermal power companies in Japan. So I think we will definitely see some related developments in the region as well.
South Korea is aiming for carbon neutrality by 2050, but data shows it's still the second highest coal polluter among G20 countries after Australia, and it's been slow to adopt renewables. Scientists say a global temperature rise beyond 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit above the pre-industrial level will trigger catastrophic and irreversible impact on the planet, from melting ice sheets to the collapse of ocean currents.